And all right, so I just picked up this DJI OSMO Mobile 3, and I may have called it the Pocket 3 on something else, but anyways, this is the Mobile 3. So I've got just my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus or whatever it is hooked up to it, and I'm testing out the tracking feature on it, and it looks like it's doing a pretty good job as long as you can get set up. So I'm using the back camera. That's why at the beginning you saw my face real big, because I couldn't see it. I was trying to get it to where it would catch my face, and it looks like it's got a pretty good range on it. So like 190 degrees or 180 degrees, just making up numbers now. And it looks like it tracks pretty fast, and it looks like it'll also track pretty far as well too. And then obviously it has a range up and down. So up there, down there. And I think that this is going to be great for class. The question is how long can I get it to last like that? Can I give it enough USB power where it'll actually power it and not deplete the battery, even though it's being used as well too? But my girlfriend was buying a new TV today, and I had wanted one of these for a long time. So I was like, 140 bucks, you can't beat it. So I think for a class, it would be great. Now, here's one of the problems. If I'm trying to record good audio and trying to do something live, can I get this tracking feature live as well too? And that I'm not sure of, because if I can get it live, great, but then how do I get good audio into it? Because I'll need to plug it into the back of the phone. Maybe I could put something Bluetooth on it, but this weight of the gimbal is maxed out right there. So the audio is not going to be that great back here using the phone microphone. So anyways, up at Dallas Makerspace, I was wanting to test this out, so I came up here and did a tour, and I was selling something to one of the other members, and I thought this would be a good opportunity to check it out, but I didn't think about checking out the face tracking thing as well too. And it looks like so far it's doing a pretty good job. It lost me a couple of times when I was testing it earlier, but it does, so far it hasn't lost me. So I think it's relative to how good you do the swipe. But again, if I've got to do the swipe where I can't see it, how accurate can I get it? Obviously I'd want to do it on my eyes or something like that. And if I can't see it, that's going to kind of suck. But maybe I can put another device on this, maybe a GoPro or something like that, and then use the app to connect to it. And then maybe also I can use a Bluetooth microphone for this as well too, and that'll take care of my audio issues, because all it probably requires is connection with the Bluetooth and not a hardware connection, because the phone is maxed out, or the gimbal is maxed out at the weight like this. But anyways, 139 bucks, and this will allow me to do some cool marketing stuff with a nice pan and tilt, and it looks like it's got good range. Granted, somebody's going to be operating it behind the gimbal, but by itself is pretty sick. So anyways, I thought it'd be a cool little test. Go back to the house, get ready for work tomorrow.